Divas, day 14. Okay, day 14. Are we ready to get into the goodies? Have you been making your Christmas cookies? Have you been making your holiday special dishes? Do you have to do them ahead of time? Please share them with our Workbasket group by going on to our Facebook group, Wanda's Workbasket on Facebook, and adding your recipe, maybe a picture of your recipe, and special points if we get a picture of you filled with flour or something like that as you're making it too. We would love to see your recipes, and I'm hoping to put together a Wanda's Workbasket little recipe book for this year with all my Christmas cookie recipes. If you want to see the 20 different kinds of Christmas cookies that I and my mom and our family friends have made together, stop in and take a look at each of our Tuesday night lives in the live section on YouTube, and you will see on Tuesday nights the cookies of the week, starting in October, by the way. All right, so let's see what Arteza has for us today. We didn't get to see Arteza because they had 3 in one day. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. We are looking for 14. Where is 14? 21, 23, 19. You're probably yelling, there it is, there it is. There's 22. We did 8, 17, 18, 16, 15, 14, right near my finger. Let's see what 14 is today. 14. I get goofy this time of year. My inner child comes out to play. My inner child loves this time of year. Oh, okay. We have some stencil brushes, 3 size. It's called daubers. Okay, we were told they were stencil brushes. So they have a flat top and they're rounded. And basically what you do is for a stencil, just like we saw on the other ones, like that snowflake stencil, you dip it in the paint and you take off some of the paint on like a paper towel or something else. And just so that you have it just a little bit of paint on the dauber, and then you pounce it up and down over the stencil. That way it doesn't leak in around the edges of the stencil. So you have a teeny one for teeny spots and a medium and a big one. That's very nice. They're very useful. Thank you, Arteza. Okay, now let's open Daphne's diary. I don't know that I saw 14 up here, did I? I think 14's on the bottom. I do believe 14 is on the bottom. And I am right. I'm right. Let's see what's in here. Turn the box around. Ta-da-da-da. Up in string. A little bow tied up in string. Let me see. What's the goodie today? Oh, it's a coloring page. It looks like a Christmas village, a Merry Christmas village. It's a coloring page. Let me show you from this end as I re-roll it. Christmas tree and like a Belgian village, right? And then you have another Christmas tree and you have a Merry Christmas with snowflakes. Let me start rolling it back up here. There's like big pine cones down there too. Okay, you have the Merry Christmas and you have more village. And you have more village on this side, like a village square. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Whoops. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. That'll be fun to color. I have to flatten that out to make sure that we can use that. And here is Diamond Painting Creations. Day 14. It's in here. Aha. This is one of those silicone mats Yes, I have the name of them right now. Right? The silicone mats that are sticky. And if you use these, they can stick to a tablecloth, they can stick to your diamond painting. You can use them to put your tray down on so that your tray stays in place and doesn't shoot all over the table or accidentally fall off the table on you. If you work on a flat surface, if you work on a surface that is on like a little easel or something, it doesn't work quite the same. But and if you get them messy, like if they fall on the floor or for some reason, or if they lose their stickiness, or they get full of, like, I don't know, cat hair or something like that, you take it to the sink, you wash them off with just cool water, cool to warm water. You don't have to use any soap on it. It should all come off, and then let it dry, and the stickiness will return as it dries. So that's nice feature. All right. It's a nice big one too. Some of them I've seen are smaller. Here is Add More Zest. Ooh, what do we have here? We have, oh, isn't that sweet? It's a fireplace with a Christmas tree. The package is under the tree. It's a little diamond painting and has 37 colors. Oh my goodness, it's 15 by 15. You get individual stickers with each of the colors and the symbols on them, and the DMC number as well. Ooh, there's 1, 2, 3 ABs in here. Let's look for the ABs. Shall we? Let's get you a little closer. Okay, the ABs are at the end. So they are like a red, a blue, and a white. Let's find out where they are on our chart. It's a square. I prefer squares because it covers the entire painting. Let's see if these are in... They are in numerical order, so all 3 of the ABs should be at the very end of the line. 36, 37, 35, 36, and 37. Let me find them. 4. There's 4 of them. I missed the yellow. That's good. I like the yellow too. Alright, there's 4 AB colors. Let me put the rest of these away. They're on these packets. You see the sequence number, you see the DMC color code number, you see the kit, the kit number, and it says Add More Zest on it. So these were made especially for her. You're not going to find these anywhere else. This will be their special item for Christmas. That's neat. Diamond Art Studio UK Limited. Is she coming out with her own paintings, I wonder? Let's look at these. Okay, so the first one is a yellow. That will be the symbol, a little yellow question mark. And they are all over the tree like lights. Candle flickers like lights in the garland. A little bit on the stocking. And a little bit in the flame. That's sweet. Number 2 is the red. That's a 666 AB. This red AB will go on, what is that symbol? A plus sign. Okay, they will go on the package ribbon, like fancy ribbon here. There's some on the tree, and there's some on the garland, and there's a little tiny bit in the fire down here. Alright, blue ABs. That symbol is the equal sign. Let me see where they go. We do have them sparkling in the tree. We do have them in the garland. And I believe that's all. I don't believe I see it anywhere else on here. Yep, that's all. And the white, I believe I know where the white ABs are going to go, don't you? It's a check mark. Yep, all over the tree. The snow in the window. We see it in the frame, the framed painting up here. We see it on the top, like the fuzzy part of the stocking. We see it in the garland. That's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very well done. This I'm eager to do. This will be fun. After the holidays, I'll show you all these little goodies I got done. And I'm going to keep this in its little baggie so that it all stays together. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, we have one more to go. We have one more to open. Today is a wonderful day. Day 14. What do you think? Bring you out just a smidge. Right same, fared same. Uh-oh, I know what this is already. Yes, I do. I just got 2 rolls of these finished, but not from this company, from a different company, so I know exactly what they cost. This is a sticker like window garland. Yep. Oh, good, it's a different one than I have. See this? Now, the one I have is 44 inches, and this looks like about the same. And it has a lot of special drills on it, and it's a sticker. So, I rolled them the opposite way, but it's on a styrofoam ring, and there's a lot of special diamonds in this, and I'll show you. Nice chunky ones. These pine cones turn out really neat with the teardrop shape diamonds. They really do. They come out really special. Come out really special. Put this in here. It takes me 2 nights to do one of these. Several hours, a couple nights a week. 2 nights a week. So some of these projects are going to take more than a day to do. That coloring page will as well. The coloring page I think I can maybe cut up and use for cards later on. Okay, here are the teardrop shape ones for the pine cones. And let me give you the backs of them here. And here are the red cabochons, which are the rounded dots. And here are white pearls. Then you have the gems, and they're all different colors, reds, greens, several different colors, greens, you have yellows, and different reds. There's even an icy blue and a white in here. Very nice, very nicely done. These kits are not cheap. I gotta tell you, when I ordered mine, they were not cheap. Let's see if I can get it in here correctly. That's always a challenge, isn't it? Getting it back in the little baggie where it came from. I'm probably going to leave this one to next year because I want to, I don't want the sticky to dry out. I already have 2 for this year that I don't know what I'm going to do with. So these are the goodies in today's Advent calendar. Lots of fun for you and I. Lots of fun for me to do while we're waiting for the holiday. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to check out the links below. There are some discount links in there for diamond painting companies and crafty companies if you are interested in ordering from any of them. All right. Thank you, Divas. I'll see you soon. Bye.